Welcome to 25843.5 Eshelman Avenue in Lomita. Stylishly upgraded 3 bedrooms plus 2.5 bathroom patio home. Come have a look. Walk through double door entry into spacious and bright living room with a fireplace that connects to an open dining area with gorgeous new light fixture. Brand new kitchen with white shaker cabinets, quartz countertop, recessed lights, and stainless steel appliances. Convenient inside laundry area with overhead cabinets. Newly remodeled powder room with new vanity mirror and toilet. Walk up the upgraded SPC floor staircase with white risers. Huge primary suite with double window. Walk-in closet and new bathroom with a sleek vanity, frame mirror, modern light fixtures, and walk-in shower with sliding glass enclosure. Updated hallway bathroom with new vanity, light fixture, toilet, and tile shower. 2 additional sizable bedrooms with ceiling lights and new mirror closet doors. Freshly painted interior with new SPC flooring throughout. Direct access from attached 2-car garage. Private side patio that wraps around to rear, large enough for an outdoor sitting area and a private garden. Property is on a private driveway with only 7 units and nice neighbors. Very reasonable HOA dues, which covers water, trash, and common area maintenance. All these within minutes from freeway, airport, shopping, restaurant, beaches, and more. Make this your next home. If you are interested in viewing this property in person, or if I can add value to any of your real estate dealings, reach out to me by leaving a comment below or by texting or emailing me directly. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.